Hello everyone, my name is Manisha Dubey and thanks for clicking. Suppose you have friend, relatives or someone else and who is going through tough time. He's sad, angry, upset. ऐसा होता है ना कि हमारा फैमिली मेम्बर है, फ्रेंड्स है, कुछ टफ टाइम से गुजरते हैं, मुश्किल दौर से गुजरते हैं. यू हैव टू encourage them. You have to tell them that you have to carry on. तो उस टाइम टू encourage them आप क्या बोलते हैं? हमारा जो लेसन है आज का वो उसी पे बेस्ड है. So let's learn. My first example is get a grip. Get a grip means to control your emotion and be stable and calm. ऐसा होता है ना, when someone is disturbed, angry, upset or going through problem, that person can't be, can't control their emotions. वो अपने emotion को control नहीं कर सकता. That time you can say get a grip. Get a grip on yourself and tell me what happened, to encourage them. Now moving on to next example, and that is sort yourself out. Sort yourself out means to be stable, to be calm and act or think appropriately. ऐसा होता है ना कि आप डिस्टर्ब हैं, so you can't think or act properly. That time you can say someone that sort yourself out. There are few other meanings like to make oneself presentable. In that way you can also say that sort yourself out. So आपको जब ऐसा बोलना है किसी को तो आप बोल सकते हैं कि sort yourself out. Sort yourself out. I know you are stressed out. इस तरीके से. To moving on to next example, and that is pull yourself together. Pull yourself together means to be stable and to be calm and cool after getting angry or upset. हम होता है ना कभी कभी कोई लोग गुस्सा होने के बाद, सैड होने के बाद, अपसेट होने के बाद फिर अगेन दे बिकम काम एंड कूल. सो उस सिचुएशन में आपको कहना है कि पुल योर सेल्फ टुगेदर. पुल योर सेल्फ टुगेदर मतलब अब काम एंड कूल हो जाओ. नाउ you got angry, you got upset, but now you should pull yourself together. Pull yourself together, and there is no reason crying about it, to encourage them. Now moving on to next example, and that is just deal with it. Just deal with it सुनने में ही लगता है just deal with it. When someone is handling or managing something unpleasant or something or someone, जब किसी को कोई हैंडल कर रहा है जो अनप्लीजेंट है, कोई पर्सन भी हो सकता है, कोई सिचुएशन भी हो सकती है, दैट टाइम यू कैन यूज जस्ट डील विद इट. उनको हम बोल रहे हैं कि यू जस्ट कैरी ऑन एंड डील विद इट, थिंग्स विल बी इम्प्रूव्ड, इस तरीके से. सो इट इज़ लाइक यू आर इंकरेजिंग देम. नाउ मूविंग ऑन टू नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल, एंड दैट इज जस्ट मूव ऑन. जस्ट मूव ऑन सुनने में ही लगता है. जस्ट मूव ऑन मीन्स टू एक्सेप्ट द सिचुएशन एंड you have to accept that situation has changed and now you have to get ready for new things. Situation बदल गई है and आपको अब नई चीज़ों के लिए तैयार रहना है. So that time you can say that just move on and try new thing. Now situation has changed, to encourage them because they are sad, angry or upset or going through some difficulties. Now moving on to next example, and that is soldier on. Soldier on means to continue doing something although it is very difficult. कोई ऐसा काम कर रहे हैं जो बहुत difficult है, बहुत मुश्किल है, and you are doing it. So that time you can say soldier on. मतलब अगर आप उनको encourage करना चाहते हैं तो आप बोल सकते हैं soldier on. I really admire the way you handle the things. I really admire that you are you soldier on the things. You are handling the things. इस तरीके से. Now moving on to last example, and that is man up. Man up means to be very brave or strong, to deal with tough situation or difficult things. So that time you can use man up to encourage them, to tell them no, you are brave, you are strong. So you can say man up. You need to be very strong, confident and man up to handle the things, इस तरीके से. सो आई होप आज का जो लेसन है आपको समझ में आया होगा एंड यू विल यूज ऑल दिस एग्जाम्पल इन योर डेली लाइफ. सो इफ यू लाइक माई लेसन, माई चैनल, so please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.